Hello viewers, welcome to Kodie TV, and I am Lena Reported. PURC urges to call ECG to order. Stay away or do galamsey at your own risk. Mosi Adeyo Techiman Bedu State. Ghana bids Asante Hima farewell. Asante Hima goes home. Mahama and other big shots goes and mourn with Otumfo. Lead fight against galamsey. GJA president urges journalists. 24-hour economy gets major boost as government Arab money signed MOU. Royal burial Asante Hima Nana Konadu Yadom III interred at Bremai Museum. Youth are torchbearers of Ghana's future. Efenyo Markin declares at UPSA Young Commons Forum. Poverty and corruption kill. HEAMB Baba Kamara speaks. Hamil Youth and GIS clash. Government applauded. Tokonu drags Mahama to court over removal from SC. Tewu declares indefinite strike. Asante Hima's death leaves a void in the hearts of Asantes. Naimo sweeps, rescues forest reserves from galamseyers. GIS in trouble for harassing their Kumasi landlord. Astute Tameklos, master stroke leadership at NPA. Forbes Africa Honors KGL, boss Alex Apaudade for pioneering leadership in transformational business in Ghana. Zoom Lion crucial to clean Ghana Agenda Sanitation Committee chair. Lordina Foundation holds fourth free health screening for retired ministers. Democracy without jobs, schools and hospitals will always be at risk. President Mahama. Local industries reel under flood of parallel imports. AGI warns of that impact on economy. Mahama dodges bar confab over Chief Justice removal. Tokonu over government. Ablakwa fumbles in US deportee deal. Attorney General seated. Asiye Dunketia sparks confusion in NDC with thank you tour.
And President Mahama waba from regional capitals. Adidas. Etime by brand evidence na president ada say we obey. Na say campaign no president fa na fa. And I'm so me fa ma fa. Etime bia me ko ya campaign. Me ka tell omo say me saka member be da omo ase. It is a president ada say regional capital. Na me so as a man kasi na ma be say me boa. Sasa mankasi na ese msuko kodasi.